Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome when it's taking too long to load pages step by step in 2026. If Chrome pages are loading slowly or taking forever to respond, it can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on the browser for work or study. The good news is there are several simple steps to speed it up and make it more responsive. Let's start. First, check your internet connection. Slow page loading can often be due to poor connectivity. Restart your modem or router, or try connecting to a different network to rule out internet issues. Next, close unnecessary tabs and programs. Having too many tabs open or running multiple heavy programs at the same time can slow Chrome down. Close anything you don't need to free up memory and CPU resources. Now, check your extensions. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to More Tools greater than Extensions, and disable or remove any extensions you rarely use. Some extensions, especially those running scripts or ads, can slow down page loading significantly. Another important step is to clear browsing data. Go to Settings, Privacy, and Security, Clear Browsing Data, select All Time, and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. Over time, accumulated cache can slow Chrome down, so clearing it often improves performance. Next, update Chrome. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than about Google Chrome, and let Chrome update automatically. Running the latest version ensures you have all performance improvements and bug fixes. If Chrome is still slow, disable hardware acceleration. Go to Settings, greater than System, toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and restart Chrome. This can prevent graphics conflicts that slow down page loading. For advanced troubleshooting, you can reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings greater than Reset and Clean Up greater than Restore settings to their original defaults. This restores Chrome to default settings without deleting bookmarks or passwords, often solving persistent performance issues. Finally, if none of these steps work, reinstall Chrome, uninstall it completely, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official Google website. A fresh installation usually fixes slow loading issues and improves overall browser speed. And that's how you fix Google Chrome taking too long to load pages step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.